In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the center console lid on this Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. Let's open the lid, not the lower one, just the upper one. And now, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Take out these two screws at the bottom. It's a little bit at an angle here. There's one. Once you do this, you can fold it over and these little tabs should slide right out. And there you go. Now if you had your new ones, slide the tabs back into their slots. There we go. Open it up. Open the hinge. Line it up. It has two little pins right here that have to line up with two holes in the hinge. That's how you know it's centered, so that the screw holes can be lined up. I'm going to start both of these by hand. I'm going to try and match the threads, or line up the threads in there. Now that you have it started, go ahead and tighten it up. Make it nice and snug, but you're screwing into plastic, so keep that in mind. You don't want to strip it out. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.